So how long are patents good for? Hey everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And that's a great question. It depends on what type of patent application you file. If you file a utility patent application, once it gets granted, it's 20 years from the first day of priority. That could mean the first filing of your non-provisional. 20 years is a long time. And certainly we hope it's enough to commercialize it and reap the benefits and the reward you so earned. On the design patent side, 15 years from the date of issuance. A little different timeline structure, a little less time. But design patents protect, as you probably know, just the ornamentation, the appearance, the three-dimensional shape of the product. Whereas utility patents protect a lot more broad protection. They give you a written description of claims covering a multitude of different designs under one written claim structure that has to be functional. All right. And yes, you get both. A lot of inventions, products, consumer products for sure, can lend themselves to getting both. And you can protect that over up to 15 years and 20 years for utility. Now, you do need to maintain them. And so having a trusted associate, a resource, if you will, like Bold, to help remind you to pay your maintenance fees on time will be important and vital to keeping your rights intact. You can find ways to explore building those rights beyond the initial invention. The first patent application you file on your invention is typically called the parent filing. And you need to, in almost every case, consider filing child patent applications. These are called continuations, continuations in part, and divisional applications. All of them help to build your claim and your moat that goes around your castle, if you will, of your invention, protecting it really broadly against any other competitor trying to design around it. So yes, a single patent will expire after 15 to 20 years. But if you do it right and you file the correct child applications, you can extend that life out well beyond 20 years to cover the different versions, the adaptations, and evolution as your product hits the market, gets customer feedback, and you iterate down the line. So if you have more questions about how to control the timeline, how much and how long those rights go, please book a free discovery call right below. Get started with us today. I'm JD Houvener, wishing you a wonderful one out there. Go big, go bold.